So this is how you can log out of Vinted. The first thing to do is obviously opening up the Vinted website, and now you will be met with this screen. So as you can see from the top right-ish, you will find your profile right here. Simply tap on that, and as you can see clearly, the log out button is right here. All you have to do is tap on it, and you will be easily logged out of your account. It's actually very simple. Once again, this only requires two steps: logging in the website and simply tapping on your profile over here, and then tap on log out. Once you log out, you won't be able to buy anything because you're not in an account. So if you want to buy clothes, you have to make sure that you have an account to process the details and whatever it needs in order for you to sell or buy clothes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.